Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to write.
Today, we review numbers 0 to 10 and the singular verb to be with I, you, he, she, and it through active writing. First, we do listen and write, a short dictation where you write the words you hear. Second, we do make a sentence where you build simple English sentences with given words.
Writing helps me remember the words.
Great. Nexo, take your pencil and let's start. Listen and write. Listen and write. Listen and write is a dictation. I will read a short text aloud, and you write what you hear.
Okay. I will listen and write.
Step 1. Listen to the whole text so you hear the full message first. Step 2. Write what you hear and write during the dictation. Step 3. Check and correct. Compare your work with the original text and fix mistakes. Keep your paper ready and do not worry about small mistakes.
I am ready.
Good. Listen carefully. Here comes the dictation. Hi, I'm Mia. I am 7. You are my friend. He is Tom, and she is Anna. It is a small cat. The cat is 1 year old. It is not big. The bag is blue. You are kind. I'm happy too. Now I will read the text little by little. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Let's start writing now. Hi, I'm Mia. I am 7. You are my friend. He is Tom. And she is Anna. It is a small cat. The cat is 1 year old. It is not big. The bag is blue. You are kind. I'm happy too. Well done, everyone. Nexo, how did it go?
It was good. But I need to check some words.
Now compare your writing with the original text and correct your mistakes. Make a sentence. Now we move to make a sentence. You will build 6 sentences, one for each main word. You can use 20 helper words and try to use the singular verb to be when it fits.
That sounds clear.
First, see an example, listen to Nexo do the exercise so you have a model. Second, make your sentences. Create your own sentences with the main words and helper words. Are you ready, Nexo?
Yes, I'm ready to make sentences. 0. The score is 0. 1. It is 1 apple. 2. You are number 2. 3. She is 3. 4. He is 4. 5. It is 5 o'clock.
Nice work, Nexo.
Thank you, Emma.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Good job. Good job. You finished the writing practice and reviewed numbers and the verb to be.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.